Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to another video in which you're going to learn how to make money online. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the red subscribe button below, because I assure you after this video you're going to go out there and make some money from yourself. Now I'm going to teach you in this video. I'm going to teach you how you can make at least $100 every single day on CPA grip using CPA marketing. Yeah, this is a secret method. I know most of you don't know. You may know how to do it, but this is a secret. I'm going to show you guys a secret method you've never known before to make at least $100 every single day on CPA grip or CPA lead or CPA build, CPA gem, or whatsoever CPA marketing program you are in. Now guys, don't mind the noise in the background, just listen to my voice and you'll get all what I'm trying to say. Now we're going to be promoting offer to the United States right here. Now the first step you're going to do, you're going to create a CPA grip account. I know if you're watching this video, you most likely have a CPA grip account, but if you don't have a CPA grip account, you're going to click in the link in the description below and to get to register for an account on CPA grip. Now with that said, as you can see here, this is an offer that's going to pay you $0.86. This is an offer that's going to pay you $0.86. This is an offer that's going to pay you $2.39. This is an offer that's going to pay you $2. This is an offer that's going to pay you $0.38. This is an offer that's going to pay you $0.12. Now we're going to look for an offer that deals with making money or winning an iPhone, or like this one right here. This one right here says get $500 on Cash App. Get $500 on Cash App. And this offer is going to pay us $1.88. And this is the kind of offer you're going to go for. As you can see right here, let us open this image in a new tab. This is how the landing page is going to look like. Now what you're going to do, you're going to copy the link to your offer. You're going to copy the link and you head over to bit.ly. Head over to bit.ly to shorten the link, or you can use any URL shortener that you have, but bit.ly, I prefer bit.ly because bit.ly is the best. Now while it's loading, guys, don't forget to hit the red subscribe button below. Now this bit.ly, you're going to post the link right here and click on shorten. Now it has been shortened here. Now we're going to copy this and let's paste it here and leave it here. This is the link to our CPA offer. Now I know you guys must have heard of Quora. You know Quora. Now you know Quora is highly saturated right now. Like, let me say 60% of people on Quora are affiliate marketers. People are trying to make money online. People are looking for customers to buy their products as an affiliate. Quora is highly saturated. You can't easily make money with Quora as at now. For example, if I want to promote offer like this, Cash App gets money with a Cash App, I'm going to type in a question like how do I get free money to my Cash App, and hit enter. Now okay, is there any way to end? Is there any way to, okay, how do I get food delivery? Okay, let's look for another keyword. How do I get free money? How can I get money for free? As you can see right here, somebody is asking the question. Now while it's loading, guys, like I said, don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button below. Okay, I have to log in. Now let me log in with my Gmail account. Boom, now that I've logged into my Quora account, you can see someone asked a question and people are replying in right here. So if I just want to reply this guy, I'm just going to head over to answer. Where is answer? Okay, to answer, I think you have to sign in to answer the question. So like I said, I'm going to type some answers on how to make free money online, on how to get from that. Then I'm going to paste the link, a link to this page, probably it's from the US. Paste the link to this page and it's going to click on the link and complete the offer, and I'm going to get paid on my CPA Group dashboard. But like I said, Quora is highly saturated, and Now there's another platform that people doesn't really know very well. That is a secret I said I'm going to show you. People do not really know this platform like that. So now the platform right here is this one called answers.com. Now for example, I typed in how do I make money online. So you're going to see questions like how do I make money online. Now you can see this person is doing exactly the thing I'm going to teach you guys right now. It says you want to work from home and make side income. People across the world are using this simple blah blah blah. You can read it. Now it says learn how. Then he posted a link to a CPA offer, and when people see it, they're going to click on the link and they're going to complete the offer and it's going to get paid. That is exactly the same thing we're going to do right here. Now that's exactly the same thing we're going to do. Now you head over to answers.com, look for question based on the offer you're going to promote, answer the question, post the link to the CPA offer at the end of the question. Make sure you give value in the question, because if you don't give value in the question, you're only going to get, your answer is going to get deleted. Like I said, your answer is going to get deleted. And make sure you give value to the question, and at the end, post the link to your CPA offer in answers.com, and boom, they're going to click on the link, they're going to complete the offer, and you're going to get money in your CPA account. Now, like I said, it's going to be a short video, and actually we've come to the end of this video. If you have any question, contribution whatsoever, you can drop it in the comment section below, and I'll be very quick to answer you. And